Welcome back guys to yet another interesting episode on AutoVibe, and again this is a very long interval that I am sharing a video, and forgive me if there is a lot of road noise, but what can I do? I had to shoot a video with this 1994 Yamaha RX100, which is of course not mine, as I had revealed in the last video that I have sold a lot of my two-stroke motorcycles, and now onwards this channel will feature a lot of two-stroke motorcycles or overall motorcycles, but of course borrowed from my very good friends who let me use it, ride it for a week and shoot some videos with them and then return the motorcycle back to them even better. So I thought of making this video for the RX100 as capable as it is inside a city, because this is where I feel it was launched way back in 1986 to be ridden, and now that it has proven its mettle almost after 30 years, people have ridden it across the country. They have ridden it long stretches. So even though this motorcycle could have been launched in a time where it should have been used inside a city, it is not a boundary in today's date and time, and it is a highly coveted motorcycle in the Indian second-hand market, and I have seen prices going upwards till 1.2 lakh rupees. And let's see, let me give you a tour of this beautiful motorcycle, and I want to talk a few things about why I love this motorcycle so much. So here we go, let's check it out. Motorcycle out, I have come to the beautiful open lake in Thane, and it is so cozy and nice environment here, as it is we are in the peak of winters here in Mumbai, and I thought this would be a quieter area to shoot my video, but still I had to stay inside the city limits, so I came here. And let me give you a small tour of this 1994 Yamaha RX100 that I have got from my friend Aniket Mahajan, and I'll be sharing a small story about how the motorcycle came to be, and let's check it out. This is a 1994 model, and as you can see, it is in pristine condition. The paint job looks amazing. Majority of the things are quite original, apart from the front crash guard, which used to be a butterfly kind of thing, but this is also a standard accessory kind of thing now. Okay, I was wrong. This place to be quiet. The only thing missing here is the leg guard, the sari guard. Apart from that, this particular motorcycle is in mint condition, and it rides like that. So what I love about RX100s is the way they have aged. No one can say by looking at this motorcycle that this particular design was launched way back in 1986, and this is how it has proven its mettle, that still after almost 30 years of being launched in the Indian market, it is still feeling relevant, where a lot of motorcycles in the yesterdays are like outdated and we don't want to see them anymore on the roads. So apart from the disc brake conversion on the front wheel, I guess this particular motorcycle is completely stock. You can see the seat with the metal bedding, which adds a very premium touch, and howling exhaust note, which is the best thing to identify a RX100 from. So to share a particular small story about this particular motorcycle is like Aniket and me have been friends for last almost better part of 10 years, And this particular motorcycle he actually restored. He got it as a daily runner beater bike from a person here in Mumbai, and he actually restored it back to its full glory as a part of his engineering final year project. So it is quite amazing what we can do, and it is quite amazing what kind of work he did. And what better could a project be for an automobile engineer to really pass out from his engineering college with a bang. So this was a small story that I would even mention it to a lot of my friends who are into two-stroke motorcycles. And I always say that if you have passion, then this is the kind of things you are supposed to do, and if you are not, then I guess you have to plan some or the other things which justify and take you through your passions. Entire video, I know that I have made a lot of videos on Yamaha RX 135s, Yamaha RX 100s. I had made a elaborate video over a silver color Yamaha RX 100 in the past, but it is such a special motorcycle, and I have such a special bond with particular brand and this motorcycle. I actually started my two-stroke journey when after mm, passing out my SSC, my father had asked or given me an offer of getting me a silver color RX 100, but then due to some reasons I had to let that motorcycle go, and then that actually kick-started the entire interest in this motorcycle, this particular two-stroking fanatics, and my father's D250 SD, which is still with us. We haven't sold that. Brought me into the entire two-stroke game, and I had RX 135, which I rode the heck out of it. I took on long rides. I still remember a ride where I did Bombay to Daman and back in one particular day. So it was amazing. The ownership was amazing. But what I had to do is I had to get a SD Road King, and that was the reason that I had to let that particular motorcycle go. Then I had a chance of owning a 1994 or 1996 RX 100. I am not able to recollect the exact year, but I restored that motorcycle. I had to let it go because the documentation for that particular motorcycle was not possible, and I thought it to be tedious work to go through the entire judicial process, getting the papers straight, and then pay a hefty tax of about 26,000 rupees. So I had to let it go. I had to give it to a person who was ready to take up this as a challenge and do all the things necessary to it. And to summarize this, I had to make a video because it's been a long time that I have uploaded a video, and since that I have sold all my old motorcycles. What way to tribute my entire two-stroke collection by making another separate nice video about this 1994 RX 100. And if you have observed, I am flaunting the exact same t-shirts from Wheelspin Apparels, which says it is not a bike, it is an emotion. Exactly the way I feel that this is not a bike, this is an emotion. And due to this emotion, what I did at the end of the day was, once I got rid of the entire lot, I went back to Yamaha. I told them I want a the FZ250, and I got it, and I am riding it daily whenever I get a chance from the busy office schedule. I have ridden it about 1,200 kilometers. First service is done, and it is performing exceptionally nice. It is a new motorcycle. It is a new motorcycle. It is a four-stroke first motorcycle that I have. I have a Royal Enfield, but that is a different category in itself, so we can't compare these motorcycles. The entire touch and feel is great. So until next time, do like this video. If you have any stories relating to an RX100, please do let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram handle is the YasDNut. Comment in the comment section your special attachment to Yamaha RX100, and do share it with your friends who are Yamaha fanatics and who love this brand as much as I do. Until next time, keep watching, keep riding, stay safe, wear mask, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Bye bye.